stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. If you are new here, welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. My name is Molly, and on this channel you'll find thrifted fashion, lifestyle, beauty, paranormal videos, booktube, all of the sorts. I just have a hodgepodge of like everything on this channel, everything that makes me happy. If any of that speaks to you, to your core, then please subscribe. I would love it if you join our family and become a beautiful star. I am sure you're already beautiful and gorgeous and all the things, but you know, why not add star to that? You're gonna be a star, what? That's cool. So enough blabbing, let's get into today's video. I am going to show you how to use the Vinted app. I have an iPhone and I'm assuming it's probably very similar to use it on Android as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, do not be afraid to ask them down below, and let's just get into it. Right when you open the app is the home page, and it's basically like a normal explore page for any selling app. You can see your favorite items, popular stuff, and you can also search items that you may be looking for if you're looking to buy. It's super helpful and really easy to use. Then there's the search tab, and you can search for members or like brands and shirts and things that you're looking for in specific. And what's cool is you can go ahead and filter after you search or even before you search, which I'll show you later. Very user friendly, super easy to use, and I love using this app for shopping. When you're done shopping for yourself or just looking around and perusing, you can hit up the sell your items and you can select up to 20 photos. You can type in a title, pretty basic, just like any other app, and select the brand and all of that. And you can also swap on here, which is really cool. I've never done it before, but I've heard it's pretty easy using Vinted. And then you move over to your inbox. This is where you'll find notifications and you'll find out when people like your items over here. When they do, you go ahead and click on that and you can send them an offer, or you can reserve the item for them. It's really easy to do that as well. From there, you can go over to your profile, and this is where you'll see all of your items, your closet, and then there's an about page. So this is just where I have information about my shop and myself, just so people can feel like a little bit more personal with me. You can find your favorites here. You can unlike stuff if it's sold. Personalization is where you can change what kind of brands, categories, and sizes you're looking to shop for. You have your wallet, so you'll see when you have orders and things like that. You can do bundle discounts. You can turn this off, but if someone automatically bundles, they'll get an automatic discount. And what's cool is there's also vacation mode. And that's it. That's the app. I told you it was so easy to use the Vinted app. I would say it's one of the easiest apps to use. It's very basic. I love Vinted because I'm able to just use, and this is like not sponsored by the way at all. I've been using it for a couple years now. It was helpful during college just to be able to have an app I could sell stuff on, and it wasn't a big deal. I thrift so much. I have like so many thrifted clothes and I'm like, you know what? If this item doesn't work for me anymore, either doesn't fit or just isn't my style anymore, I know that I can pass it along to somebody else on Vinted that will actually love it just as much as I used to, may even love it more. So that is why I love using it. And if you have any questions about how to sell on Vinted or anything like that, or like my tips and tricks, I have 2 videos on how to sell on Vinted, so I'll link those up in the card, and you can also find them on my channel. A bunch of other videos talking about like Depop and Poshmark and Mercari. So if you have any questions about those are also on my channel. If you have any other questions, again, please do not hesitate to ask them and I'll try my best to answer them for you. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, week, whatever you're watching this, and I'll see you next time. Until then, shine bright. Bye!